Okay, so first we need to put 2 cups of whole wheat flour in a bowl. If you like your crackers thicker and chewier, you can go ahead and add a teaspoon of baking soda. If you like them thin and crisp, go ahead and leave it out. Next, we need to add a half teaspoon of sea salt. Okay, next we're going to add half a cup of soft but not melted butter. Okay, now you'll want to add a quarter cup of honey or maple syrup. Okay, now we need to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, now we're going to add our last ingredient, which is a half cup of sourdough leaven. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and mix all our ingredients together. Okay, now we're going to cover our dough with a cloth and let it sit for at least an hour and a half to get the benefits of the sourdough. Okay, so once the dough has sat for at least an hour and a half, we can roll out the dough on a buttered 1/2 size baking sheet, or if you like your crackers thinner, you can roll it out on 1.5 half-sized baking sheets. Before you roll out your crackers, you're going to want to get your oven preheating to 350 degrees. Okay, now we're going to cut the crackers out into squares. Okay, now you'll want to poke about 1 to 4 holes in each cracker so that the steam can escape while baking. Okay, now you'll want to put them into an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees and bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, once the crackers are done, go ahead and pull them out and let them cool.